The old way, months of work, thousands spent. The new way, 47 seconds, zero cost. AI does everything. The publishing game just changed forever.
What if I told you that you could publish a complete Kindle book and an audiobook on Amazon in just 47 seconds without writing a single word? No ghostwriters. No expensive designers. No technical headaches. Just one button. Today, I'm doing a full, honest review of ClawBook, the world's first fully autonomous AI publishing agent that is literally changing the game for Amazon KDP in 2026. Stick around, because I'm also going to reveal an exclusive early bird price that you will not want to miss. So, what exactly is ClawBook? ClawBook is described as the world's first fully autonomous OpenClaw AI agent built specifically for Amazon KDP and Audible publishing. And I want to be very clear about what autonomous means here. This is not another AI writing assistant where you still have to do the research, prompting, and uploading. This tool executes the entire publishing workflow for you. We're talking niche research, full manuscript writing, 10,000 plus words, professional book cover design, Kindle and paperback formatting, AI voice narration for audiobooks, metadata and keyword optimization, one-click publishing to Amazon KDP and Audible. All of that in under 60 seconds. This is the kind of tool that didn't exist even 2 years ago. But thanks to what's called agentic AI, the most advanced form of artificial intelligence, ClawBook doesn't just respond to your commands. It thinks, decides, and acts independently. Let me walk you through exactly how simple this is, because it's honestly mind-blowing. Step 1. Press the button. You open ClawBook, type in a keyword, niche, or book idea like keto recipes or self-help for anxiety, and hit create. That's it. No prompts. No decisions. The AI takes over immediately. Step 2. Watch the AI create everything within 47 seconds. ClawBook scans Amazon's live database, identifies a profitable angle, writes a full manuscript, designs a stunning cover, formats the book for Kindle, paperback and audiobook, and optimizes all the metadata and keywords for Amazon's algorithm. Step 3. Publish and collect royalties. One click and your book goes live in front of 310 million active Amazon shoppers. You start earning royalties every time someone buys, reads, or listens. You did nothing. The AI did everything. Let me break down the standout features. AI Niche Research Engine. ClawBook scans 10,000 plus best-selling books daily and finds you low competition, high-demand niches in real time. No more wasting weeks on dead topics. One-click book generator. Fiction, non-fiction, self-help, romance, children's books, cookbooks, thrillers. ClawBook handles any genre, any category, any topic. AI voice narration. This is huge. Audiobooks are the fastest growing segment on Amazon. Hiring a voice actor costs $2,000 plus per book. ClawBook narrates your entire audiobook with studio quality, lifelike AI voices in 80+ languages for free. Professional cover designer. Covers that look like they cost $500, generated in 12 seconds. No Canva, no Photoshop, no designer. One-click Amazon publishing. ClawBook handles all formatting, metadata, keyword placement, and directly uploads to KDP and Audible. Your book goes live within 24 to 72 hours. 80+ language support. Publish internationally and tap into global markets automatically. Built-in plagiarism shield. Every book is 100% unique and original. No duplicate content, no copyright issues, no Amazon penalties. Commercial license included. You can create and sell books for clients and charge $500 to $2,000 per project. This is a complete business model. Pros. 1. True automation, not just assistance. Most AI tools still require you to do the heavy lifting. ClawBook is genuinely different. It's an agent, not a tool. 2. 3 revenue streams per book. Every book you create becomes a Kindle ebook, a paperback, and an audiobook simultaneously. That's triple the royalty potential from one creation. 3. No monthly fees. This is a one-time investment. You pay once and publish unlimited books forever, no subscriptions, no per-book charges. 4. Massive audience, zero marketing needed. Amazon's 310 million built-in buyers do the heavy lifting. You don't need a website, email list, or social media following. 5. Beginner-friendly. Zero tech skills required. If you can click a button, you can use this tool. Setup takes 60 seconds. 6. Agency mode for extra income. The included commercial license means you can charge clients $500 to $2,000 per book publication, turning this into a full-service business. 7. 180-day money-back guarantee. That's 6 full months to test it risk-free. Very few tools in this space offer that level of protection. Cons. 1. Results depend on volume. One book alone won't replace your income. ClawBook's power comes from publishing at scale, consistently and repeatedly. If you expect one click to make you rich overnight, adjust those expectations. 2. AI disclosure required. Amazon's updated 2024 policies require you to disclose AI-generated content during publishing. ClawBook handles this automatically, but it's worth knowing. 3. Not every book will be a bestseller. The strategy here is volume and catalog building. Not every single book will perform equally. Think long-term passive income, not instant wins. So who should actually buy ClawBook? Here's exactly who this is made for. Complete beginners, never published anything? No writing experience? Perfect. ClawBook was built for you. Zero learning curve. Affiliate marketers and digital entrepreneurs add Amazon KDP royalties as a new passive income stream alongside your existing business. Existing KDP publishers, if you already publish on Amazon and want to scale from 1 book/month to 30 books/month without hiring a team, this is your tool. Agency owners and freelancers use the commercial license to offer done-for-you book publishing services. Charge $500 to $2,000 per project with zero overhead. Side hustle seekers working a 9-to-5 and want passive income running in the background? This is as passive as it gets. International creators, the 80+ language support means you can publish books targeting markets worldwide without any translation skills. Now let's talk about price, because this is where it gets crazy. The normal price for ClawBook is set to go to $297 per year or $997 one time. But right now, during the early bird launch window, you can get full lifetime access for just $17 one time. Not $17 per month. Not $17 per year. $17 once. Forever. And it comes loaded with bonuses worth over $4,000. Minus 30 books in 30 days blueprint, $297 value. Amazon KDP optimization checklist, $197 value. 50 done-for-you book description templates, $147 value. Audiobook voice library in 80+ languages, $497 value. Kindle Cash Multiplier Training, $397 value. Unlimited commercial license, $1,997 value. Lifetime updates, free. Plus a 180-day money-back guarantee. You literally cannot lose. There's also an optional quick launch booster add-on for just $9.95. 91.5% of users are grabbing it, which preloads profitable niches, done-for-you blueprints, and optimized KDP settings so your first book is live even faster. My advice? Grab it. It's less than a cup of coffee. So here's my final verdict on ClawBook. If you've ever wanted to build passive income on Amazon but were held back by writing ability, time, budget, or technical skills, ClawBook eliminates every single one of those excuses. This is not hype. This is not theory. Amazon KDP paid out over $450 million in royalties last year to everyday people, not publishing houses. The opportunity is real. The platform is real. And now, the tool to scale it is real. At $17 with a 180-day guarantee, this is one of the most risk-free investments you will ever make in your online business journey. The link to grab ClawBook at the early bird price is in the description below. Don't wait, this pricing will not last. Once the early bird spots are gone, the price goes back to the full rate. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and drop a comment below. I want to know, what kind of books would you publish first? I'll see you in the next one.